Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Snapchat and getting straight to settings. This avoids delays. Tap your profile, then the gear icon to enter settings. Once there, scroll to Contacts or Sync Contacts. You'll see a toggle for syncing. You want to stop future uploads and remove previously synced contacts, so do not leave the menu until you confirm the toggle state. Make sure you understand whether the switch says on or off before moving on, because that determines the next steps. Now, turn off the sync toggle. Tap it once so it switches to off. If Snapchat asks whether to delete previously synced contacts, choose Delete to remove them from Snapchat servers. This is important for privacy. After that, go to Connected Apps or Permissions to revoke contact access, because turning off sync alone might leave permissions enabled. Make sure to grant no permissions you don't want. This prevents accidental future re-uploads and keeps your address book private. Finish by force closing Snapchat and reopening it to verify the sync toggle stays off. This confirms the app wrote the change. If you still see sync contacts, go to your phone settings, find Snapchat, and revoke contacts permission. This blocks access directly. Once done, reboot the device, then recheck. If problems persist, update the app or contact Snapchat support, because account-side caches occasionally delay deletions. Remember,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.